the fish is there. Yeah. If I tell you how much I've lost in this farm, people from the other side, they took bamboo, hook, packing my fish in sack. I was even pleading. They say if I get time, make I carry the fishes. How many will I use bamboo to catch?
This is serious. This is a very, very serious situation.
And when five people are fighting with just me, how many I won't win? Customer will do, worker will do. At the end of the day, imagine making 600 naira profit daily on poultry. We just would have stolen like 4-5 crates. One dropped like 5 days ago. That one would be good. I don't get anything like poultry.
Wale is still doing poultry now. Like, yeah, he has the time. He has the time. Exactly.
I will still rush. I'll beg to close on time in the office. David, give me key. At least, everybody don't talk. Why does this guy speed? Not until someone that know me, if you know why he's speeding, you will pity him. She told them the story and they were like, wow. I told them that anytime I kill your father, stop me for later.
Very clean.
These ones are 3 months. This one was so sick, this small one. Is their mate, born on the same day.
Oh, it's more like same thing that we have in other
yes,
animals.
in other animals, same thing. But we didn't notice on time, being a first timer. So by the time, even she couldn't walk, all the 4 legs were swollen. So we treated her and now she's even growing now. If you see the way she be like that. The reason why they are clean, we didn't do those holding the system.
Oh, where?
They will put bait in the pond.
So
in that bait, they will bath, they will pee, they will poo in it. At the end of the day, still. What's up? Give us a minute. Well, we lost one before I got to the farm. Because of what was in between the animals and the wall. So I have to pull the mother to retrieve them.
Is it that when they are giving birth, someone must be here to assist them?
Not necessarily, but at least to avoid mortality. We wouldn't know when they will give birth. So, but with the help of the CCTV camera, at least we are able to. That's why I put her here. She's not supposed to be here. She's somewhere here. But so that I can have full access.
Does it come with does it use internet? Okay, solar.
Yes, internet. Then I have to put data on it, then connect with my phone, use Wi-Fi. So the solar is just to charge the camera, the battery.
It's excellent.
So the one we lost are falling into that hole.
Oh, okay.
Then another, they will be slippery. So they will, and that is the direction of the slope. So one that fell, the other one was on it. So by the time I came, pull that one, he was dead. Because there's water in that tunnel. So he couldn't breathe. At least I was able to save this my precious one. The only different, I have been wanting that corner. I wanted to buy it when I actually went to buy them, but someone convinced me. I said I wanted to have it.
What are the major challenges you face doing this?
Doing this?
Yeah.
The environment is the challenges.
Just the environment?
Just the environment. In this, I don't have any issue. At least it's going on smoothly. So, the money is not a daily profit.
Yeah. It's more like doing catfish too, or raising cockerels.
Yes. You save your money and
in bulk at the end.
So that's the way this is. Like poultry that you balance your account daily.
Daily, yeah. They're going through the stress every day.
Daily thing, your stress, your profit, everything is daily. Poultry, at least it gives me rest of mind. It's not stressful at all. Aside from having the water, but even the water, what does it do? You clean their pen in the morning, feed them, that's all. Then till afternoon, I told them to clean. Whenever they want to eat, you clean. This one down will be the next to deliver.
So he's pregnant like this.
All of them are pregnant.
What?
Just two are delivered. This is the one that delivered with this month. This one delivered.
Oh.
And immediately after 2 months, now the pregnancy is
You
counting.
don't have any meal yet?
Yes.
The meat now.
The first assignment is going. I got this one 50 kg, it was so small. Then I started the poultry, the family. I brought them precisely May 27.
Wow.
Then I got this one, I paid 2 months. Now
Do you have a vet
yes.
that comes to check on them
Yes.
regularly?
Well, now since that one gave birth, I've been calling me. So because of the things that I've had on me, I injected the mother and the piglets, the newborn.
But one thing about this business, or should I call it a game? You have to know what you are doing. You have to be your vet.
Yes.
You have to be your.
Anywhere they put is the one that spoiled this place.
Is the male.
Anywhere you put in, you spoil the things there. Show mad me.
Maybe the water is not coming as much as it wants to come. So it's
Don't mind him, is he the only one here?
say hi for the camera.
This one. So I don't know, since then I've been calling, he's been avoiding calls. If you not get buyers, does that mean we won't take care of the one of them? So I don't know. Even when this one gave birth, I called till yesterday.